Respiratory muscle training, a review. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Respiratory muscle training (RMT) can be defined as a technique that aims to improve the function of the respiratory muscles through specific exercises. RMT may consist of inspiratory muscle training (IMT) or expiratory muscle training (EMT), or a combination of the two. Indications: asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, COPD, sports training, stroke CVA, spinal cord injury, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ankylosing spondylosis, and many others. Respiratory muscle strength training protocols include two types: resistance training and endurance training. There are two devices available for this purpose: a nonlinear device and a threshold (IMT) device. With the threshold device, a reliable inspiratory pressure load is provided regardless of airflow rate. The load is adjusted by the therapist or patient according to a desired percentage of the patient's maximal inspiratory pressure (PI max). Usually, the patient begins training at a low load, equal to about 1/3 of the Pmax, and progresses slowly in small increments, adjusting a screw to alter the tension until the training load reaches 60% of the current Pmax. To determine the appropriate starting load for inspiratory muscle strength (IMS) or expiratory muscle strength (EMS) training, a pressure measuring device, such as a digital manometer, peak flow meter, or pressure threshold device, is required. Respiratory muscle strength training (RMST) has the potential to reduce shortness of breath, boost exercise tolerance, and improve the overall quality of life in individuals with respiratory conditions. Introduction. Respiratory muscle training (RMT) is a type of exercise that helps strengthen the muscles used for breathing. It includes two main types: inspiratory muscle training (IMT), which focuses on muscles used to breathe in, and expiratory muscle training (EMT), which targets muscles used to breathe out. These exercises can be done using special handheld devices that provide resistance while breathing. Strengthening these muscles, like the diaphragm and intercostals, can help people with breathing problems feel less short of breath, improve their ability to exercise, and enhance their overall quality of life. IMT works the muscles that pull air into the lungs, while EMT strengthens the muscles that push air out. Together, they form respiratory muscle strength training (RMST), a promising therapy for people with conditions like COPD, asthma, or heart failure. RMST can make breathing easier and more effective by improving lung function and endurance. Conclusion. Respiratory muscle strength training (RMST) can help reduce shortness of breath, enhance exercise tolerance, and improve overall quality of life in individuals with respiratory conditions. It may also serve as a valuable adjunct to pulmonary rehabilitation in patients with chronic respiratory disorders. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.